Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Chris and we are in my studio. Today I want to share with you a little story about a special dress that we made last year. Today actually marks the 1-year anniversary of our good friend Sarah and her husband George's wedding day. So I want to take you on a little bit of a journey in the creation process as we created Sarah's wedding gown. In 2009, my business partner Chalo and I met Sarah when she was just a little girl. Well, actually, we were in our early 20s, or late 20s for some of us, and we were all working for the same organization at the time. It was a youth arts charity called UforChange, and it is still around today. And believe it or not, 11 years later, I am still there once a week teaching young people in Toronto how to design, make patterns, and sew. There's something really fulfilling about teaching others what you know and seeing the light bulbs in their minds switch on when something clicks. Fast forward to 2018, we have all moved on to other things. Chalo and I are full-time on our business here, and Sarah is a Harvard grad working and traveling all over the world sharing her knowledge and experience. And she's engaged to George, her best friend since 9th grade. The two of them together are a perfect fit, both super smart and beautiful. And obviously we were honored when Sarah asked us to create her dream wedding dress, and it was such an incredible experience. Sarah's family came to every consultation and every fitting. The design of her gown was very much a collaborative effort, from the color to all the little details. Each member actually chose a fabric or embellishment to add to the design. Sarah and her family are super close, so it only made sense that all of them were involved in the process. When it came to the aesthetic of the gown and how Sarah wanted to feel, she said, "I want to feel like walking art." She was very much a non-traditional bride in the sense that she didn't even want a bouquet or a veil. She wanted to feel powerful and make a statement. Adorning the front of her gown as well as the back were details and embellishments imported from Spain and completely appliqued by hand. This took dozens and dozens of hours and 6 pairs of hands to accomplish. And from the back of her gown, as she walked down the aisle on her wedding day, a dramatic flowing cape. Today, Sarah and George celebrate their 1-year anniversary, and we want to wish them all the love and many more years to come. If you like my videos thus far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I upload twice a week and would love to interact with more of you. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see from me in the future, and I will do my best to make that happen. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.